Welcome to our latest video on the best affiliate marketing programs for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just getting started, finding the right programs can make all the difference in your earnings. In this video, we'll break down the top affiliate marketing programs you should consider in 2024. Choosing the right program is crucial for maximizing your earnings and finding a perfect fit for your niche. You'll learn about the best affiliate marketing programs for both beginners and experts, the key features and benefits of each program, and tips on how to maximize your earnings. We'll also guide you on how to choose the right affiliate program for your niche. We've selected the best affiliate marketing programs based on their reputation, ease of use, commission rates, and support. Here's a quick overview of the programs we'll be discussing.
When starting out with affiliate marketing, choosing the right platform can significantly impact your success. Two of the most popular options are Amazon Associates, Amazon Affiliate, and ClickBank. Both have their pros and cons, and the best choice depends on your goals and preferences. Here's a detailed comparison to help you decide which is better for affiliate beginners. Amazon Associates Pros. Wide range of products. Amazon offers a vast array of products, from books and electronics to clothing and household items. This variety allows you to find products that fit almost any niche. High trust factor. Amazon is a trusted and well-known brand. Visitors are more likely to buy from Amazon due to its reputation for reliability and customer service. Ease of use. Joining the Amazon Associates program is straightforward, and the platform provides easy-to-use tools for creating affiliate links. Universal cookies. If a visitor clicks your Amazon affiliate link and buys any product, not just the one you link to, you earn a commission on the entire purchase. Cons. Lower commission rates. Amazon's commission rates are relatively low, typically ranging from 1% to 10% depending on the product category. Short cookie duration. Amazon's cookies last only 24 hours. If the customer doesn't make a purchase within this time frame, you don't earn a commission. ClickBank Pros. High commission rates. ClickBank offers significantly higher commission rates compared to Amazon, often ranging from 20% to 75%. Digital products. ClickBank specializes in digital products like ebooks, online courses, and software. These products often have higher profit margins, allowing for higher commissions. Longer cookie duration. ClickBank's cookie duration is typically 60 days, giving you a longer window to earn commissions from referred visitors. Cons. Quality variability. The quality of products on ClickBank can vary. It's essential to thoroughly review products before promoting them to ensure they meet your standards and are relevant to your audience. Niche specificity. ClickBank's product range is narrower compared to Amazon. If your niche doesn't align well with digital products, it might be harder to find relevant items to promote. Which is better for beginners? For beginners, the choice between Amazon Associates and ClickBank depends on your niche and marketing strategy. Amazon Associates is ideal if you're promoting physical products across various niches. Its user-friendly interface and the trust consumers have in Amazon can make it easier to start earning commissions quickly. ClickBank is a better option if you're focusing on digital products or high-commission items. If your audience is interested in online courses, ebooks, or software, ClickBank's higher commission rates can be more lucrative. Ultimately, you might find value in joining both programs to diversify your income streams and leverage the strengths of each platform. Ready to start your affiliate marketing journey? Get started now.
Ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing? Check out our detailed reviews and tips in this video to find the perfect program for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips and guides.